Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to bring an existing Excel template to life using the AnyChart Spreadsheets extension in ClickSense. We'll start by loading data into the Click app. The data and the loading script we're using can be found in the description of this video or on the Spreadsheets documentation page. Next, we'll go to the sheet in the application, enter Edit Mode, and drag the Spreadsheets extension from the Custom Objects AnyChart section onto the canvas. Now, open the Properties panel, go to the Settings section, open Autosave, and select the Browser Index DB Storage option, so all changes will automatically be recorded. Then, open the File tab in the ribbon menu. Click the Import, then click the Import Excel File button and select the pre-built template, personalbudget.xlsx. The structure includes two sheets, one for budget summaries and one for transactions. Let's now connect our Click data. Open the Data section in the Property panel and create a data section. First one for the budget sheet. Add the category dimension and the measures. Sum of budget, sum of amount, and a calculated measure subtracting sum of amount from sum of budget. The second data section will be created for the transactions sheet, consisting of the date, description, and category dimensions, along with the sum of amount measure. Now switch back to the template, clear out the cells, and set the cell types to General, where we'll be injecting live Click data. Clearing and formatting the cells ensures the formulas will evaluate correctly. Let's now connect our data sections to the spreadsheet. In the budget sheet, enter the QLIK.data formula using index 0 as the parameter for the first data section, in the cell where your data table begins. We'll pass true to the show label and top to the show total parameters, and change the corresponding cell types to currency. Then, do the same on the transaction sheet, using index 1 to connect to the second data section, and pass true only to the show label parameter. Set the date column cells to short date and the amount column cells to currency. This ensures everything displays properly with the correct formatting. Make any final formatting changes you need. In our case, we'll update the text field content. Finally, to showcase the power of Click's associative model, apply a few selections. You'll see the entire spreadsheet update in real time, as it stays fully connected to your Click data model. And that's it! You've now integrated a custom Excel template into Click, connected live data, and made it interactive using Click formulas. Thanks for watching.